Good afternoon, students. Today's subject EVS 1, EVS Part 1, Standard 4, and chapter number 15, My District, My State. Now, try this. This is an activity which you have to do, children. Study a big tree in your locality using the following points. Now, using these points, you have to study a very big tree in your locality. To be complete, a tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, a state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas and districts. You will understand this better by looking at the diagram on the facing page. Now first we begin. Now in a tree, very small components are there that makes the different parts of the trees, like leaves, stem, branches and trunk. All this makes a big tree. These are the different parts of the trees. When we join these parts, then you get a big tree. Now, do you know, man began to farm the land. His fields were near water. He settled near his farms and began to live there. In this way, hamlets and settlements were formed. These hamlets and settlements grew into villages, which then developed into cities. Now in this paragraph it is mentioned that when man started farming the land, then farming his field near the river and lakes, there only he made his house and he started living there. And slowly like this, many small houses were made and small hamlets and settlements were formed. And that hamlets and settlements turn into villages. Now make friends with map. Now color the town, taluka, district given below in different colors. Now here it is mentioned that first small villages, cities and towns form talukas, and talukas form district, and district form state. So our state, Maharashtra state, is consists of different districts. Many districts form our state Maharashtra. Okay, and in district there are many villages, cities and towns which forms taluka, and taluka form a district. Understood, children? First comes village, cities and towns that form taluka, and taluka form district, and districts form a state. So our state, Maharashtra state, is consists of many different districts. You can see in this map of Maharashtra. This is a Maharashtra state, map of Maharashtra. You can see many different districts are here. Come to the next page. Now here a very colorful map is given, children. So you have to observe the map clearly. This is Maharashtra state physical map. The physical map of our state is given below. Study it carefully and write the answer to the following questions. Okay, now you have to study this map carefully and answer the following questions given over here. That is an activity, homework for y'all. Now do you know Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Nagpur is the second capital. So, Mumbai is the first capital of our state Maharashtra and Nagpur is the second capital. According to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into three regions: A. The coastal region, B. The mountainous region, and C. The plateau region. So, our Maharashtra state, according to its physical features, is divided into three regions: the coastal region, the mountainous region, and the plateau region. Third, the Godavari River is the longest river in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, the longest river is Godavari. Fourth, the Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Astamba. Okay, so Satpura mountain is in the northern part, not part of Maharashtra, and in that the highest peak is Astamba. Fifth, the Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghat. Kalsubai is in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. Okay, so the Sahyadri mountains are also called the Western Ghats, and in that the Kalsubai is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is to the west of the state. Okay children, remaining part we will continue in the next period.